morning. It is 1958 and we have found out that Rosalind Franklin has passed away. She produced the X-ray crystallography of branched DNA. She was born in 1920 in London, England. By the age of 15, she knew that she wanted to become a scientist. Her family was very involved in social and public works, but her father wanted to become a scientist. And because of World War One, he became a college teacher instead. Her father doubted her very much of becoming a scientist since it is very hard for women to have such a career. However, with her excellent education of going to an all-girls school, one of the few institutions was physics and chemistry. She went to Cambridge University in 1938 to study chemistry. When she graduated, she awarded a scholarship that involved doing graduate work. She spent a year in Norris's lab until she got offered the position as an assistant research officer at the British Coal Utilization Research Association. This is a youth organization and the research was done less formally. Already as an independent student, the job suited Franklin. She worked for this organization until 1947. Her old friends introduced her to Marshall Matthew, who controlled most of the research in France. He was very impressed with Franklin's work and offered her a job as a researcher. In this job, she learned X-ray diffraction techniques. In 1951, Franklin was offered a 3-year research scholarship at King's College in London. She was to set up and improve the X-ray crystallography to try to set up the DNA problem. Working with student Raymond Glossing, Franklin was able to get 2 sets of high-resolution photos of crystallized DNA fibers. She used 2 different fibers of DNA, one being more hydrated than the other. From this, she concluded that basic forms of DNA strands, and that the phosphates were on the outside of what was probably a helical structure. She presented her findings at a presentation at King's College, where James Watson appeared at. He admitted to not paying attention to her presentation. Watson and Francis Crick had always been trying to solve the DNA structure. It was Wilkins that showed them Franklin's X-ray data. The data confirmed Watson's and Crick's theory for DNA. In 1953, Franklin and Watson published papers on their X-ray data, the same as Wilkins and Crick's. X-ray crystallographies are used to probe the structures of crystals. They help scientists define the structure of atoms. Another important application for X-ray crystallographies are its use of blending substances. Other scientists have used these to record the structure of proteins, hemoglobin, and the double helix of DNA structure. Franklin left Cambridge in 1953 and began working on tobacco mosaic virus. She worked very hard on the subject while suffering from her cancer, which was the cause of her death today. We are all very devastated by the sad news, but I hope you have a great day. Thank you.